Hello dear students, I am B.S. Nadia, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Dear student, in my previous YouTube video, I taught you how to write an advertisement, what important points should be keep in mind while writing an advertisement. And dear students, today I am going to start a new topic, a very important topic of advanced writing skills section of 12th class, that is report writing. Yes, dear students, most important chapter of your writing skill, that is report writing. Dear student, as you know, what's a report? In your previous classes, you have already been taught about a report. A report is a description of an event or an investigation of an issue or a problem. It is the description of an event that has already taken place. Yes, it is well organized presentation of facts and findings of an event that has already been taken place. So dear student, it is a very important well organized presentation of facts and findings of an event or an incident which has already took place. So dear student, this is something about a report. And dear students, according to the latest guideline of CBSE, report writing carries 5 marks, which used to be 10 marks, but now it carries 5 marks. And division of marks, one mark reserved for format 1 mark, contents 2 marks, and expression carries 2 marks. Contents, it means connectivity of ideas, coherence of ideas, maturity of ideas, presentation of ideas, and the expression, it means grammatical accuracy. It means appropriateness of words and spellings. If you don't commit any type of mistake by grammatical point of view and spelling point of view, definitely you will be rewarded by 2 marks. So this is the marks division for a report writing. If format carries 1 mark, content 2 mark, and expression carries 2 marks. So this is the division of marks, dear student. And for your kind information, dear students, report writing can be divided into 2 parts. Report for magazine or reports for newspapers. There are so many kinds of reports, but dear students, you are supposed to learn only these 2 kind of advertisement from your examination point of view, your syllabus point of view. You are supposed to learn 2 types of reports for newspapers and reports for magazine. So dear student, now the question arises, what important points should be kept in mind while writing a report. So dear students, first of all, provide a suitable heading. Yes, dear student, first of all, you will write a suitable heading. First of all, you will write a suitable heading in 5 or 6 words. Proper heading, most of the time it is given in the question paper, or you will have to frame it. So it should be very catchy and it should be very descriptive, expressive. It should express the idea of the report. So first of all, you will give a suitable heading to the report, and after that you will write the name of the writer or his designation, and after that dear student, a report is always written in past tense because the incident or the event has already taken place. That's why we write a report in past tense. And after that, it is written in indirect speech or in passive voice. Passive form is used in a report. And after that, third person pronouns are used like he, they. Don't use first person pronoun I, me, or the second person pronoun like you, your, no. Third person pronouns are always used. And after that, the next important point to be noticed is that all information should be factual. Yes, dear students. All information should be based on facts. They should be factual. They should be clear in sense. And after that, attend to the word limit. It is very important point. Dear student, while writing a report, you should attend the word limit, that is 150 to 200 words. Don't overwrite, don't over limit while writing a report. And after that, report an event in proper order. There should be a systematic order, as I have already told you in the beginning of my lecture, that it should be well organized. There should be a proper series of events. There should be a proper series of different activities. So, I mean to say, report an event in a proper order, in a systematic way. And after that, develop ideas logically. It is most important that you should give your ideas in a logical way. And after that, write in less formal and more descriptive. Very important. While writing a report, dear students, especially for the magazine, you should be less informal, less formal, and more descriptive. So, these are the important points to be taken in mind, to be kept in mind while writing a report. First of all, provide a suitable heading that should be catchy, that should be very expressive, and after that, and dear student, the heading I will tell you later when I will give an example of a report writing. At that time, I will prove all these ideas, all these important points. So, and after that, name of the writer must be written. Yes. For example, first of all, yes, dear students, you will write a proper heading, and after that, this part is known as byline. Byline, it means who is the writer of that report, and what is his designation. Suppose you will write Mohan, comma, head boy, and after that, dear student, you will write the date and place. First of all, you will write place as Mahendragarh, and then date you can write 24th August 2020. Yes. First of all, you will write a proper heading. After that, you will write byline. It means you will write the name of the writer with his designation if it is given in the question paper, and after that you will write the place, and after that you will write the date in a proper way. So this is the proper format of writing a report. And dear student, after that you will write the body of the report. Body of the report. It means body of the report can be divided into three parts. I mean to say contents. Contents will be divided into three parts. First of all, you will make a introductory paragraph, and after that, in second paragraph, you will highlight the main activities, and after that, you will conclude the report in a proper way. Dear student, in first paragraph will be introductory paragraph. In this, you will attend to 5 W's. 5 W's. It means what type of function is going to be organized, when it will be organized, where it will be organized, why it will be organized, so, and who is the chief guest. You will write in brief in the beginning. In the introductory passage, you will mention all these things, and in the next paragraph, you will mention the highlights regarding that report, and at last you will conclude the report. For example, if you are writing a report for a magazine, at that time you will write what type of speech was delivered by the chief guest, what was the main attraction of his speech, that you will write in concluding parts. So dear student, in my next video I will tell you one by one about all the important points through an example. We will have an example, and in which I will tell you how to write a report. So dear student, this is something about writing a report. First of all, a report is a description of an event or an investigation of an issue or a problem, and it is well organized presentation of facts and findings of an event that has already taken place, and that I taught you what important points should be kept in mind while writing a report. And dear student, then we discussed about the division of marks, and then I taught you what important points should be kept in mind while writing a report. So dear students, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.